in this video, I'm going to talk about technical SEO. What is technical SEO? What are the factors responsible for technical SEO? We will learn all these things in this particular video. Hello everyone, I'm Shivani Goyal. Welcome in WsCube Tech. So let's start with the basic definition of technical SEO. Technical SEO refers to the website and server optimization that help search engine spider, or you can say crawler, and index your site more effectively to help improve your organic ranking. As we all know that in SEO, we have on-page SEO, we have off-page SEO. In case of on-page SEO, we work on website on the page of our website, like your title, meta description, header, images. In case of off-page SEO, we work on the back side of your website, or you can say external of your website. In case of off-page SEO, we work on the backlinking part. We create different backlinks there. But in case of technical SEO, we work on SEO technically. Technically means speed of SEO, server errors of SEO, or all the factors which are responsible for technically ranking of your website. Technical versus non-technical SEO. Here we have two types of things. One is your technical, another one is your non-technical. In case of non-technical, we are using on-page and off-page SEO technique, but in case of technical, we are using technical SEO. Technical SEO. In case of technical, we work on site map, site structure, URL formatting, canonicalization, pagination, structure data markup, optimizing for speed, site accessibility, redirection, robots.txt, crawler issues. In case of technical, we work on all these important factors. In case of non-technical, we work on keyword, content relevance, search intent, paid promotions, competitor analysis, link building, social PPC, content optimization, images or video SEO. So now let's understand why technical SEO important. Why we are saying that technical SEO is one of the most important factor of SEO. Search engine need to be able to find, crawl, render and index the page of your website. And that's the reason we need technical SEO for finding, for indexing and for crawling. With the help of technical SEO, we do this kind of work which is very important. Your site to be fully optimized for technical SEO. Your site's pages need to be secure, mobile optimized, free of duplicate content, fast loading and 1,000 other things that go into the technical optimization. You make it easier for Google to access your content, the better chance you have to rank. Now the question is, how can you improve your technical SEO? So these are some of the important factors which we will discuss in detail in our further videos. These are some basic techniques of technical SEO which helps us in improving our technical SEO score. Starting with your JavaScript, your XML sitemap, site structure, URL structure, structured data, thin content, duplicate content, href lang, canonical tags, 404 pages and 301 redirects. These all are the important factors responsible for technical SEO. So this is all about the introduction of technical SEO. In our upcoming videos, we will learn more about technical SEO techniques. Thank you so much for watching this video.